Greetings. I wanted to share with you the path to success. Actually, the focus of this class is on persuasive writing and on the persuasive essay. And there are specific steps that we will take week by week, along with all of the resources in the learning modules. But there are specific assignments and milestones that will bring you to a successful conclusion of a final revised persuasive essay. And they begin in week 1, where we have our journal and we consider our topic. And when we consider our topic, we're asked to look at two possibilities. And this should be a debatable issue. You should share in a paragraph on each side of the issue, your position, your side, and your interest in that topic. In a third paragraph in the journal, you will share which way you're leaning, which topic seems more feasible, stronger, is more relevant to you and to your field of study. So in week 1 journal, we're exploring the topic. In week 2, we will choose one of those topics and move on to our writing notes. And the writing notes explores kind of the direction of your topic. And these are kind of top of mind, first impression ideas that you're beginning to solidify with the argument in your main idea, some key points or reasons that support your position, who you're writing to, what your goal is, possible resources, and keep in the back of your mind that you'll need an opposing view. So we've gone from the journal to writing notes in week 1. In week 3, we go on to a writing plan. The writing plan is similar to the writing notes. It asks pretty much the same questions with a little more depth, but it's asking you to take the next step and think not only about your answers, but the organization of the essay, the planning, the strategy. So it's now time to start visualizing that these notes, this information you're gathering, your thoughts into how this will look as an essay. And that happens in week 3. In week 5, we move on to a milestone, and that is drafting your essay. Once again, in the learning module, you will be guided through a series of questions that you will download and use as a basis to write your draft. Does it have to be the exact answers? No. Those answers are feeding you the information. They're giving you the platform to write the draft. And if you look at the instructions in the rubric, you'll see there are going to be 3 areas we're going to look closely at. And those are a very clear introduction with your main idea, 3 body paragraphs which will mirror and reflect on the key points that you are going to identify. And there should be a paragraph for each key point, and then the conclusion. After we have completed the draft, you'll have week 6 and you will receive feedback from me, and there's also some peer review workshop that you'll share some of your essay with, but that will take you to week 7 when the persuasive essay is due. And at that point, it should be polished, it should be error-free, the sources, the research that you've gathered to support your point of view should be cited correctly in MLA or APA. You'll have a chance to reflect and revise your essay based on feedback from me, your peers, perhaps the Writing Center. Now it is a complete, polished, finished essay and not just a series of answers that you have been dealing with throughout the learning module steps to get here. So hopefully this is helpful. I want to encourage you to embrace this, although sometimes it may seem repetitive. There's a good reason for it, and I want to encourage you to contact me if you need help. I am very accessible by email, text, or phone, And I look forward to watching you grow, and I look forward to a successful term. This is Daniel DiStasio, and I wish you the best. Take care.